During those 60 seconds when May spoke, it was almost as if angels were inspiring her to say the right thing, the most beautiful and appropriate and decorated thing. So allow me in these next few minutes this evening to share with you some of what she said, and I have put it for you under 6 simple headings that I hope you will take note of, and more importantly, I hope you will take home and strive to convert this case study into a living application in your life. Number 1, May taught us the value of haya, healthy shame, in the life of the Muslim man and Muslim woman. You will notice when they were pulling her out from the rubble that May was dressed in her full Islamic hijab, as though she was praying. I thought to myself, there's only one of 2 options why a woman would be wearing her hijab in her own home when she doesn't need to. Either she was in a state of salah praying. When bombs were falling all around her, she was in salah. Or either, like many of the other Ghazan women that we have seen, she was preempting the situation where her house would come tumbling down, and so when strange men would arrive at the scene, she wanted to be seen in a way that was pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Regardless of which of the 2 it was, we are in awe and we can only admire May. At a time when some of our sisters, some of our mothers, some of our daughters, some of our righteous woman folk are perhaps rethinking the hijab, reconsidering the hijab, perhaps removing it because of pressure of friends or social media or work expectations, or the never-ending and ever-devolving isms of society. They can't make up their mind as per what they want from us. May was also under a lot of pressure. Pressure of slabs of concrete. Because when her home was decked, May found herself wedged between the floor and the ceiling of her home. For how long? For 5 consecutive days. No food, no drink, and not even an inch of space to move for 5 days. Somehow Allah allowed her to survive. Yet there she was, wedged in the 40-centimeter slabs of concrete on her fragile, vulnerable, feminine body. And she was in her full Islamic hijab. Take that for pressure.